parking garage chaos. 50 hertz. Let's see. We'll go down to about 35 or so. Okay. Pause that. Parking garage burp. Gotta get out and around this filler first. And I know that there's some security guards walking right around this deal here. So, as long as I can do it, say right. Whoops. Every one of them in the damn parking lot. That's it. Let's see. I'm gonna leave this on if the parking garage people start messing with me. Damn, thing's crazy. Yeah, I just drove right by them. They didn't say shit to me. That's fucked up, dude. I guess because it's just tones and not music, they can't do shit. Here we go, one more time. Did it in that spot where there wasn't nobody. This is funny. Alright, now I'm gonna go back to just music. Alrighty then, people. Parking. Let's see. I guess I actually got to talk to a parking attendant. Now I'm in trouble. Thank you. How you doing? Alright. Now we're gonna let it go. We're gonna drive by the sheriff's office. Yeah, next time I'll just let it rip in the parking garage, piss on it. Hey, catch me, so all good. Come on, the entries all the time. thanks for sticking with me. Got some crazy driving to get on the highway here, so talk at you later.